Alright guys, today Sammy is going to be doing a kettlebell full body workout. We're going to start by doing arm circles just to warm up our shoulders. Anytime that you feel that you need a break in the video, don't hesitate to press pause and grab a drink, grab your sweat towel, whatever you need. Go ahead and reverse direction. For 3, 2, 1. All right, and now we're just going to do a couple non-weighted full body squats. Make sure you keep your knees behind your toes and get your butt down. Keep a straight back, as straight as you can. Okay. We're going to go ahead and start with the kettlebell. Grab your kettlebell. Get your feet a little bit wider than shoulder length. And then you're going to squat down. And when you squat, you're going to pull the kettlebell up and bring it back down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you keep your toes behind your knees and keep your core tight. 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Next, we're going to be doing figure eights with the kettlebell. Go ahead and make your feet a little bit wider apart, and you're going to squat down with a straight back, and then you're just going to do figure eights in between your knees, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're going to do tricep extensions with the kettlebell. Get your feet shoulder length apart. Make sure your elbows stay in tight next to your ears, and you're going to fall back and extend upward for 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you keep your core tight and your elbows in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're going to get into a bent leg deadlift stand. All right, and you're going to keep your back flat, and then we're going to just perform an upright row for 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you keep your arms straight to your body and keep that core tight. 7, 8. We're going to go for 15. 10, 11. Keep your core tight. 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, next we're going to do something called a golf squat and swing. You're going to squat down, feet a little bit more than shoulder length apart. Keep your toes in front of your knees, and then you're going to swing the kettlebell up and then back down in a diagonal direction for 2, 3. We're going to do 10 on each side. Make sure you keep your core tight and keep your back straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And set it for the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember to breathe. 8, 9, 10. Okay, next we're going to stand with your feet shoulder length apart, hand on one hip, kettlebell in the other hand, and you're going to keep your knees slightly bent, and you're going to bend down and crunch on the side with the kettlebell as far as you can go. Hold it for 1, 2, and back up. Down for 1, 2, and back up. 3. Down for 1, 2, and back up. Down for 1, 2, and back up for 4. Down for 1, 2, back up for 5. Down for 1, 2, back up for 6. Down for 1, 2, back up for 7. Down for 1, 2, back up for 8. Down for 1, 2, back up for 9. And down for 1, 2, and back up for 10. And go ahead and switch sides. Same thing on this side. Down for 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 for 2, 1, 2 for 3, down 1, 2 for 4, down 1, 2 for 5, down 1, 2 for 6, down 1, 2 for 7, down 1, 2 for 8, down 1, 2 for 9, down 1, 2 for 10. All right, guys, and that's the end of the kettlebell workout. You're gonna go ahead and do that twice all the way through, and then don't forget to keep drinking water, breathing during your exercises, and to stretch afterwards. Go ahead and just press replay and get a good workout in.